Not even rain could make me stop and change my plans. This day was the day I chose to leave a jealous man. I pulled my shawl up on my shoulders, started walking down the lane in the misty mountain rain. It wasn't long before I heard the engine of his car. I realized he'd found me gone before I'd gone too far. Hiding on the hillside, I watched him as he came, roaring down that dirt road in the misty mountain rain. I pulled my shawl up on my shoulders as he thundered down the lane in the misty mountain rain. I waited there until I couldn't hear his car no more. Then cautiously I picked myself up off the forest floor. Though crying for the past, I felt new freedom in my veins, to find myself escaping in the misty mountain rain. I pulled my shawl up on my shoulders, started walking down the lane in the misty mountain rain. I had to leave, his jealousy was killing me inside, and now he would be alone, the lonely victim of his pride. And lying here I realize I'll soon be free at last. I didn't see him hiding when he fired that fatal blast. He pulled my shawl up on my shoulders as I lay dying in the lane in the middle.